If GTA 5 won't open after mods, follow this step-by-step fix. First, back up your GTA 5 game folder and save files to a safe location. Next, verify integrity of game files in Steam to restore corrupted originals. Remove recently added mods and use a clean mods folder to isolate conflicts. Reinstall ScriptHook V and update any required plugin dependencies. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables for 2015 through 2019 x86 and x64. Enable ScriptHook V logs and open the games log or crash report folder. Run GTA 5, watch the console for errors and note missing DLL or mod names. Remove or update any mods named in errors, then reinstall only compatible versions. Launch the game in safe mode or with no mods to confirm vanilla startup works. Quick checklist: backup, verify files, remove incompatible mods, reinstall dependencies, check logs. If problems persist, share logs on mod forums or reinstall the game as a last resort.